Hello dear students, welcome to Unacademy. Unacademy is coming with a new goal. The goal for those students who want to prepare for SSC JE, RRB JE and different state JE programs. The program will be in English language only, 100% English language. The delivery of content and the content written on the board will be in English only. So the students who are not very much comfortable with Hindi, they can join this program, they can join this goal for their JE preparation. This new goal will be launched on the Monday. So I request all the students who want to prepare for JE exams, they can join this session and they can join this program for their preparation. Let's crack it.